Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to set a fingerprint lock screen in your Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the fingerprint paste in password. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in fingerprint paste in password, okay, in biometrics, okay, you can see the add fingerprint. Okay, you only have to do is click the fingerprint or add fingerprint, and the pop-up will show. And okay, caution, if you forgot your lock screen password, you will be unable to unlock your phone or recover your phone data. So okay guys, you only have to do is click continue button. And okay guys, we need to set the lock screen password before creating the fingerprint password. Okay, you only have to do is enter the password. And okay guys, we need to re-enter or verify the new password. And okay guys, now we can add the fingerprints. Okay, use a fingerprint instead of a password. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor on the back of your phone. And okay guys, we need to set a fingerprint on the back of this phone. And okay guys, adjust the holding position. So okay, click continue button. And okay guys, we need to place the edge of your finger on the fingerprint button and then move it away when you feel vibration. Repeat this step. And okay guys, done, and your fingerprint recognition is ready. You can unlock your phone using your fingerprint. And okay guys, you only have to do is click continue button. And okay guys, we have successfully add the fingerprint to your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, we can try it. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled the fingerprint lock on your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.